Hello everyone and welcome to Oil versus Water Experiment. We know that oil and water are immiscible. We know that oil doesn't mix with water, and we know that water doesn't mix with oil. But how and why? Is it magic or is it chemistry? Let's find out.
For this demonstration, I used two 16-ounce cups, one filled with water and the other with vegetable oil. I used two small boilers at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Since no reaction is being made, I increased the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to speed up the reaction time. The reason that different liquids boil at different temperatures is because of the chemical bonds that hold them together. Oil has a higher boiling point than water because of the chemical bonds that hold oil together are stronger than the ones holding water together. It takes more heat to break them apart. The main reason for this is that the oil molecules are much bigger, so each one has more surface to stick to one another. As water is heated, energy is added to the molecules, causing them to move faster. This increase in velocity causes the molecules to take up more space, so the volume increases. Since the mass of the liquid remains constant and volume increases, the density must decrease.
The solubility of many molecules is determined by their own molecular structure. You are familiar with the phrase mixing like oil and water. The biochemical bias for this phrase is that the organic macromolecules known as lipids have areas that lack polar covalent bonds. The polar covalently bonded water molecules act to exclude nonpolar molecules, causing the fats to clump together. The structure of many molecules can greatly influence their solubility.
Oil is any neutral, non-polar chemical substance that is a viscous liquid at ambient temperatures and is both hydrophobic, meaning immiscible with water, and lipophilic, meaning miscible with other oils.
Water is polar covalently bonded within the molecule. This unequal sharing of the electrons results in a slightly positive and slightly negative side of the molecule.
Oil and water are immiscible, meaning they won't mix together even if you try. Both liquids have different masses, therefore different densities. A liquid that is less dense than water will float on the water, and a liquid with more dense will sink. Oil and water won't mix because the water molecules are more attracted to each other than to the oil molecules. Water has a slight positive charge, which makes it attracted to atoms and molecules with a negative charge. Oil is electrically neutral, having no connection for water. As you can see in the video, even when you pour the water into the water is pushed through with the oil, but the oil floats back.